Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering my learning skills today and see if I can level up my brain power in just 24 hours. Mastering your learning skills is a game changer for anyone looking to boost their personal and academic success. Think about it. When you're able to learn efficiently, you can absorb more information, retain it better, and apply it in real-life situations. This skill is essential for students, professionals, and anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve. We've all been there, staring blankly at a textbook, trying to make sense of complex concepts, but our minds keep wandering. Procrastination creeps in, and before we know it, hours have passed, and we've accomplished nothing. Ineffective study techniques can be a major obstacle to learning. Maybe you've been relying on passive reading or rereading your notes over and over, but not really retaining the information. Or perhaps you've been cramming all your studying into one marathon session, only to forget everything the next day. These struggles are common, but they're not insurmountable. So what can we do differently? For one, we can try active recall, where we actively test ourselves on the material instead of just rereading it. Spaced repetition is another strategy, where we review material at increasingly longer intervals to help solidify it in our long-term memory. The Feynman technique is another powerful tool, where we try to explain complex concepts in simple terms, as if we were teaching them to someone else. The Feynman technique really helps to identify knowledge gaps and simplify complex ideas. Active recall strengthens our ability to recall information from memory, while spaced repetition helps to prevent the forgetting curve that can sabotage our learning efforts. By incorporating these strategies into our daily routine, we can overcome common learning obstacles and achieve our goals. So which of these strategies can have the most impact on our learning? In my opinion, it's active recall. By actively recalling information from memory, we strengthen our ability to retain it and recall it when needed. This strategy can be applied to any subject or material, and it's a skill that can be developed with practice. I encourage you to give it a try and see the difference it can make. To recap, we've discussed several effective learning strategies, including active recall, spaced repetition, and the Feynman technique. These skills can help you learn more efficiently, retain information better, and achieve your goals. The key is to apply them consistently and make them a part of your daily routine. If you've got a favorite learning strategy, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on effective studying, be sure to check out my next video for more insights and strategies to help you master your learning skills.